All right, welcome traders. This is a section on how to read charts, and it's going to be quite brief, but what I want to do here is share with you the 5 components to trading price action. So this section is going to be very short. We're going to briefly talk about what these 5 key components are that I look for when I'm trading price action, and then we'll actually get into analyzing and putting all the pieces together in the subsequent strategy sessions. So the first component that we're looking for in price action is identifying market cycles. There's 4 market cycles that we can really be in at any given time. It's going to be in an uptrend, then a period of distribution, then a downtrend, and then a period of accumulation. The second component that we want to talk about is identifying trend direction. And that is simply learning to identify whether we are in a trend and what type of trend we are in. Are we in a uptrend or up leg, or i.e. bullish trend? Or are we in a downtrend or down leg, or i.e. bearish trend? And we'll talk about clues that can give us an indication of when that trend is changing from either bullish to bearish or bearish to bullish. Third component is going to talk about identifying trading zones. These are key zones on our price chart where the smart money, i.e. institutional traders, hedge funds, bank traders, and large traders are looking to enter and exit the market. These are going to be zones that should be crystal clear, where we can see these large traders, these large funds beginning to accumulate positions or begin to distribute their inventory or unloading shares or contracts to begin a leg lower. Fourth component is momentum. Here we're going to talk about how to tell when the market is speeding up or when the market is starting to slow down. So momentum will key off third component, identifying trading zones, and try to gauge when momentum is slowing down, coming into those identified price zones, or the turning of the ship. And then the last component is what we call the secret weapon, or the TPI, the turning point identifier, and that is our proprietary divergence indicator signal. So I'm really excited to share with you these 5 components, as well as dig deep into several trade examples. So let's go ahead and head over to the next section, which is market cycles.